Welcome to our video on Deming's 14 points of management. Are you a business owner or manager looking for ways to improve your organization? Do you want to learn about a proven framework that can help you achieve success and better results within your company? Then you're in the right place, because in this video, we're going to show you how to use the Deming's 14 points for management to transform your organization. First of all, who is Deming and why are his ideas relevant today? Let's talk about who Deming was and why these ideas continue to be relevant even today. Edward Deming was an American statistician, engineer, and management consultant who is credited with helping to transform Japan and its industries after the Second World War. His ideas about quality management and continuous improvement are still widely used today in businesses all over the world. Now, let's dive into the 14 points of management. These points are a set of principles that can help businesses achieve better results by focusing on quality, efficiency, as well as customer satisfaction. So, the first point is create constancy of purpose for improving products and services. The second point is adopt some new philosophy. The third one is cease dependence on inspection as the only way to achieve quality. The fourth point is to end the practice of awarding business on price alone. Then we have improve constantly and forever the system of production and service. The next one is institute training on the job. Then institute leadership. Drive out fear, break down barriers between departments, as well as eliminate slogans and targets for the workforce. The next one is eliminate numerical quota for the workforce. The 12th one is remove barriers to pride of workmanship. The next one is institute a vigorous program of education and self-improvement. We also have put everybody in the company to work to accomplish the transformation. To help illustrate how these points work in practice, let's look at a few examples. The first example is about a manufacturing company that implements Deming's point number 5 by continuously improving their production process through regular reviews and feedback. They identify bottlenecks, eliminate waste, and implement new technology for the sake of streamlining their operations. Another example could be a service-based company that adopts Deming's point number 6 by providing on-the-job training for their employees. This is to ensure that they have the necessary skills and knowledge to provide high-quality service to their customers. Another example could be a software development company that follows Deming's point number 9 by breaking down barriers between different departments to improve collaboration and communication. They encourage cross-functional teams to work together to solve problems and improve efficiency. So, why do Deming's 14 points work so well for management? There are a few reasons. First, they focus on continuous improvement and customer satisfaction, which are essential for long-term success for any company. Second, they provide a framework for creating a culture of quality and excellence within the organization. And finally, they emphasize the importance of leadership and employee involvement, which are key factors in achieving sustainable improvement. And that's it for our video on Deming's 14 points of management. I hope you found this information helpful and then you are able to apply this within your organization to transform your business. Remember, continuous improvement is key to success, so start implementing these points today and watch your organization thrive.